My people, now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day wey you see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you one until they come back to watch my video. So guys, today video I will show you how to cook corn moimoi. Okay, these na all my ingredients. That na crayfish, onions and fresh pepper, which is habanero pepper. This na a mackerel fish. I don't cook am, then I come debone am. Then this na oil, red oil. Then this na prawns. I don't wash everything, I don't clean everything. Okay, both the pepper, the onions, I don't clean out there. So that na then seasoning and no cube. Then this na the corn, I don't wash them already. Guys, I remember when I dey grow up, my mom used to cook this meal. Like my mom dey always cook this food, so I see make I show una how to cook am. So I just dey show una how the corn look like. So this na the corn, I don remove am from the stick, as you guys can see. So I can't wash am. So now be this one. Guys, this meal tastes so good. So first make we blend the corn and the pepper and the onions. So guys, I can't blend everything. I beg my people, if you never subscribe, make you not forget to subscribe. Oh, I beg, make you like, make you share, make una dey share my video. Okay, so guys, I don't blend am finish. Then I can't put red oil. This red oil I bleach am together with onions. Okay guys, sorry I lost the clip. I bleach the oil small, then I can't put onions, then I can't pour am, then I can't put salt. My seasoning I don already blend am with together with the corn. Okay, then I can't put the mackerel fish. This na the debone mackerel fish. Then I can't stir everything together. Guys, this meat tastes so good. See, for years now I never eat am. See, today I just decided to cook this meal. Like me and my family, we really enjoy this food. Trust me guys, very sweet, very yummy. So guys, then I can't stir. So this na the consistency when I dey look for. Yes, not too thick, not too watery. As you guys can see, it's not too thick, it's not too watery. Then I just stir everything together. Then I can't taste for salt. I can't say it needs small salt. Then I can't put salt. Yes, I can't put salt. Okay, then I can't begin stir together. So my people, una try this meal, make una thank me later. Yes, so my people, make we try the corn moimoi. So guys, if you be say where you dey stay, see you fit see the leaf. Guys, make it's better you use that leaf. If you know that leaf wey take tie rice, you know, tie moimoi too. See guys, but where I dey stay, the part of the world when I dey stay, I not see the leaf by. Guys, I don't look for the leaf, I not see. So I got to use wetin I get, which is I can't use cellophane. So I just put the cellophane, put the corn moimoi, then I just put my prawns, tie them together. Then I can't just. So guys, if una fit see the leaf, make una use am. I remember na leaf that time my mom dey use, but I not see the leaf. Oh, for where I dey stay, I not see the leaf. So I got to use wetin I get. So now my people, then I can't begin tie am. After I tie am finish, now be this ready, is tied already. So now time to come put on for my fire, me for pot. So guys, then I can put the stick, that is the stick of the corn. Then I can put am inside water. Then after I don't put them, then I can put the corn moi. I can put them on top. I hear say if you put that stick under, then you put your moi. They say they give am taste. Oh, that's not wetin my mom tell me. So I got to use the method. Then I can put am on top. Then I can cover am, make it cool. Guys, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, wetin you see the way for? Wetin you see the way for? This my channel na pidgin English na we dey talk for here. Trust me, you will like am. If you click on that red button there, we say subscribe. Okay, so guys, after 20 minutes, our moimoi don ready. Our corn moimoi is ready. Like e don ready. It's ready, very easy and yummy at the same time. So guys, make I show una the final look. Like very yummy. Then I come open now. This is the final look, guys. Like this moimoi tastes so good. This moimoi tastes so yummy. Guys, make una try and make una let me know how wetin una think. Like e too sweet. Okay, try it. Trust me, una go come back and testify. Una go come back and testify. Yes, guys. I'll see you again for my next one. Abeg, make una not forget to like, comment, and share. Okay. See you in my next one, guys. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao, bye.